How to use Crazy Egg Pro Analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Crazy Egg Pro is an advanced analytics platform, but many beginners waste its power because they make simple mistakes. The surprising truth is that installing the tool isn't enough. You must interpret its data correctly to drive meaningful results. The first mistake is focusing only on click heat maps. Crazy Egg offers scroll maps, confetti reports, and user snapshots. Beginners often ignore these features. For instance, confetti reports break down clicks by source, showing which traffic channels drive real engagement, not just volume. Another common error is failing to track important pages consistently. Many users only install Crazy Egg on the home page. Enterprise features allow tracking multiple landing pages and funnels. Observing behavior across these pages reveals drop-off points that can be fixed to increase conversions. A third mistake is neglecting app testing integration. Crazy Egg Pro data should guide tests, not just inform intuition. For example, if a scroll map shows visitors abandoning halfway through a long form, you can test a shorter version or adjust placement. Many users also forget to segment visitors. Crazy Egg lets you filter by device, location, and referral source. Without segmentation, insights become diluted. Mobile users might struggle with a desktop-focused layout, so testing and optimization need to be device-specific. Finally, some beginners fail to revisit data regularly. Crazy Egg Pro gives dynamic, real-time insights. Treating it as a one-time setup misses evolving user behavior and seasonal trends. Scheduling monthly reviews ensures continuous optimization. To use Crazy Egg Pro effectively, track multiple types of data, monitor key pages, integrate insights with app testing, segment visitors, and review trends regularly. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your analytics translate into actionable improvements, higher conversions, and smarter marketing decisions.